This is a quick tutorial to show you how you can register and get started with KBucket. Once you install KBucket on your WordPress website, or even before you do that, you want to come to the optimalaccess.com website. Under Products, KBucket Content Hub, you can see a register or login. You click on this button. If you're here for the first time, you want to register. Otherwise, you will log in. After you log in, you can edit your profile and enter the information. And down below, when you scroll down below, you can see an API key. Now, to unlock KBucket, you need to copy this API key, go over to your WordPress website. Under the KBucket Settings tab, you enter the API key. And then we also recommend that to use the shortcodes, you click yes and you update your setting. Next, what you want to do, and you can see here, you can put KBucket on any page. We create a KBucket page by default. So if when you go under the pages directory, you can see a KBucket entry. Here, you click on edit and you add two columns to this page, one at 75% and the other one at 25%, and you add the shortcodes that you can find on the settings page, shortcode KBucket list and shortcode KBucket tags, to this page. And now you're ready to upload content. The content for KBucket is curated in the browser using our curator plugin. To curate any content, you simply click on the curator icon. It will scrape information off of the page. It will let you choose where you want to store this. It allows you to edit the headline, scan for images, modify your description and add your own personal comments, and then add publisher, author, date, Twitter handle, and content tags. And all of your information is stored inside of the curated bookmark manager. You can see over here, this is the content that I am sharing on our website, 4 different channels, as you can see over here. And you can easily edit and modify the content here in the browser. You select it, you can read what you have written, you can easily use the tags to filter information, and to upload it under KBucket files, the first thing you need to do is to create a curation file. Once you create the file, underneath it, you first have to create a curation group. It's a channel. And then under each group, you basically can select any one of the folders in your directory, and it's going to add it here to your file to be exported. Once you're done with that, you only do this once. Now to upload, you can either do it manually, export curation file, or you can copy this XML link. It says copied. Then you go over to your upload content. You can see here, if I say stop, I can upload this manually, or I can choose the frequency of how often I want to upload this and say start by adding the link here in this field. And from this point on, every time I add any content to any one of these folders, it's going to automatically sync it with my Content Hub. If there are any images missing or you want to change images, you can do this online and the program will remember it. You can simply click on the icon here and then choose another image or upload a new one. But once you set everything up, the entire system is automated. You just curate content in the browser. You can actually use the shared folder feature in order to add people's email and collaborate with your team members in gathering content and posting it to your website. Have fun with your curation.